how to move things around. So one more time here. There we go. Good. My job getting the shoulder back in 2000. So I always work out with that in my head to make sure everything stays loose. I'm just like, with COVID, you have to take a break and start over again, take a break, start over again. You gotta be real careful. Get one more breath. There we go. That's how it can be good. Easy stuff. Alright. How's the icing been too? Right about there, right? Good. Get a deep breath in. All the way out. There you go. Good. Alright. Grab a C2 foam. Check the neck one more time seated. Okay. How's the posture been? Has that been okay?
Yeah.
Go all the way over for me a little bit. Right there. There we go. That's that upper one.
Oh, man.
That's the upper one. Right here too. Woo!